Okay, Miss Roslyn, I am the person here. You choose to stand. Yes, no. I value and I appreciate your ideals, my dear kasama friends. Yes, they are very good and very hard one. I just like to point out now that you said, what you want to see something new, something really like revolution. Because when you see a revolution, it's like something denoting a drastic change. When we say drastic change, it means an overhaul, a total change from what has already been established. My dear President, yes, my dear President Contender, yes, this is just one thing that I find confusing in your voice, I mean in your call for change, because in the first place, I got to take a look and inspected your platforms, and then as far as I can see, these are already established programs in the Student Supreme Council, which has already been established for how many years? And I think, yes, I just want you to justify further why you need revolution, you need something new. But in fact, the programs and the platforms you're proposing in your call are already in existence, and you just want to improve on this and build on this. Thank you.